Welcome to Ciudad Rodrigo, Spain. First of all, our bathroom. Ito po yung aming bathroom. Super ganda ng hotel. Ito yung mirror. Very beautiful hotel dito sa Ciudad Rodrigo, Spain. Extra toilet tissue, toothbrush, look the sink. Old-fashioned ang style. Hand towel, hair dryer, soap, hand soap, bath towel, an extra towel for after you shower, bathtub, ayan. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay. After bathroom, we go inside. This is the main door. And we go to our master bed. I'm going and put my bag first. So, this is our bedroom. As you can see, it's so beautiful. There is a frame. This is the Ciudad. This is the picture of this province, Ciudad Rodrigo. There is the big cathedral. This is the cathedral, which is our car is outside. And this hotel is exactly here to this cathedral. This is the cathedral. Our hotel is here. And that also the cathedral. So as you can see the lights. And this is the heater once it's winter. And this is the drawer here. This is the drawer, a closet if you want. There's extra how you say manta, and there's a hanger. This is small. If you want to keep your passport here, the important things that you want to keep, you can put here. It's not very big, small one, just enough for the passport or wallet or what. Blanket extra, and aircon. Look at the light, so beautiful. And this one I saw last time. This is my second time to visit this province. It's so beautiful. And they give you 2 bottles of water. Welcome for welcoming. Someone is drinking the beer because there's a mini bar fridge there. Small mirror, 1 TV. I like the antique table. There's a mini bar fridge here, which is have the 1 beer. And there's a small balcony. Look at the people outside. They're taking the picture. So the cathedral is only the front. There's a small balcony or terrace here. Look, very beautiful. I don't know how to open it. I think it's yeah. I'm going to open it so that look, very beautiful. And I show you the cathedral. See, people is arriving here. People is arriving here. Look. Look at the cathedral. The cathedral is there. That the cathedral is there. That one. And our car is there. So, we are exactly here. Very beautiful. This is the view from our hotel. Look. Look. Very beautiful. People is arriving. I can see. I check in. So, I'm going to close here. I close. And so, and I close again here. Okay. It's very hard. It's very hard. Yeah. So I close. 2 chairs. And table at the side table. Look, this is all the building that front of the hotel. And also this is the cathedral. All the frame. So there's a big mirror. As you can see, this is a big mirror opposite you. When you're lying down to the bed, this is the bed, just enough for the couple. It's a very big room for the couple. Very big room. I love it. It's a very big, very wide, very wide room. Wide. It's a wide room. You see? It's very big, very beautiful. Look, look, look. Very beautiful. Okay. Look, very beautiful. People is arriving. It's so beautiful.